Hi, in this lesson, we'll learn two ways we can write to a file. Writing to a file means saving information or data onto a computer storage system using a computer program. It's like writing something down on a piece of paper, but instead of using a pen and paper, you're using a computer to store the information on a digital file. This stored information can be text, numbers, pictures, or any other type of data that you want to keep for later use. The first step is to store the name of the file we want to write to in a variable. That way we can more easily access it later. For example, if I wanted to write output to a file called output.txt, I could store it as a string in a variable named output file name. Before you can read or write a file, you have to open it using Python's built-in open function. We've used this function before, only in read mode. To write to a file, we will use the write access mode, or W. If no file with this name exists, one will be created when we call this command. We can then use the write method to overwrite the current contents of the file with the string we provide. Overwriting a file means erasing what was previously there and replacing it with the new string information. Remember, when we are done with performing operations on the file, we need to properly close the file. We do this using the close method available in Python. Let's take a look at an example using write mode. If we open a file called todo.txt in write mode and use the write method with the string go food shopping, the new contents of the file will hold this string. If we added another write method with the string give dog a bath, we would see both of these strings written to the file. If we wanted to have them written on different lines, we would need to include a new line character, which would give us the output we want. If we had these strings in the todo.txt file initially, and then altered the program to only call the write method with the string give dog a bath, once we run the program, we will only see the one string now because the contents of the file are being overwritten each time the program is run. Alternatively, we can append or write to the end of a file by opening the out file in append mode. When we use the write method on a file that has been opened in append mode, it will add the given string to the end of the file, not overwrite the contents of the file. Let's revisit our todo.txt file, which initially holds the string go food shopping. If we use append mode to open the file, and then use the write command to add a new string, when we run the program, we will see both strings in the file. If we run the program again, we will see that string added to the end of the file a second time, because each time it is run, the write method is appending the string to the end of the file. Let's dive in and explore writing to a file.